Namaste, I'm Sonal Paladini and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a 30-minute sensual, somatic, heart-opening yoga flow which is going to make you feel super sexy and open when we're done. Hi, welcome to your sensual flow. Let's start sitting. Bring one hand to your heart and one to your womb. Close your eyes. Let's take a few gentle breaths to get centered. Breathe into your hand that's on your heart and exhale. Feel your stomach relax. Inhale, open heart, long spine. Exhale, relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Deep inhale into your hand on your heart. Exhale, soften your stomach. Open your eyes, bring your hands to your knees. Inhale, heart leans forward. Exhale, heart leans back. Inhale, heart leans forward. Feel the love. Exhale, back. It's like a seated cat and cow. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward, deeper each time. Exhale, contract your stomach. Inhale, start the movement with your heart. Exhale, back. Now we make circles with our chest. You want to start left to right or right to left, whatever works for you. There are no rules. You're just making gentle somatic movement. Move in a way that feels natural, normal. So we are just moving the shoulders or the heart over the hips. Now change your direction. And you don't have to make the circles exactly the way I'm making. Move in a way that feels good, that feels normal, natural. And enjoy each move. And after around 5 circles each side, hold this position, roll your shoulders back, roll your shoulders forward. Let's do 3 neck rolls each side. So once again, whether you want to start clockwise or anti-clockwise, you decide. As long as you're doing 3 circles each side, it's all the same. Change your direction after 3 circles. And now bring your hands to the yoga mat. Tabletop position. After each side, 3 circles. Lean back and forth in tabletop, just warming up the hands. Now as you lean back and forth, try to add a little bit of movement with your spine. Gentle, supported spinal rolls. Move forward, back with inhale. Move forward like cat. Move back like cow to child pose. Move forward. Move back. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your spine feels. Move forward. Move back. Now you may move side to side or make circles with your hips over your knees, whatever feels good. Own your movement. The whole point is that we are enjoying each movement, enjoying how the body feels, feeling confident in our bodies. Now flip your palms so that your fingers are facing the knees. Lean back and forth. Your palms are into fists, side to side. Just warming up the hands for what's coming up next. Your hands come flat on the yoga mat. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. And once again, find the movement that works for you. You could lean side to side with your hips. Bend one knee, bend another knee. Gentle somatic movement with intuition, with breath. Being sensual is not about looking a particular way. It's about feeling a particular way. It's about enjoying the movement, enjoying the sensations, being in control of your pleasure, prioritizing your pleasure, enjoying each movement, enjoying sensations. Now in downward facing dog, with inhale, notice how your chest comes close to your thighs. Exhale a little bit forward, gentle movement, which we're going to expand soon to spinal rolls. So notice how with each inhale, your spine makes a wave. Exhale a little bit forward. Now let's expand this movement. As you exhale, go forward to plank. Inhale like cow. Back to downward facing dog. Exhale, forward like cat. Inhale, back to downward facing dog. Exhale, just like cat pose, to plank. Inhale, like cow pose, to downward facing dog. Like a wave. And you can also bring your knees to the yoga mat if this movement is too intense for your hands. One last round. Move back. Fourth. Move back. And bring your knees to the yoga mat. And roll your hands. If at any point during any of our moves it gets too much for your hands, please modify that by bringing your knees to the yoga mat. I will try to remind you each time, but still you are your best teacher. Hands to the yoga mat. Downward facing dog. Bring your left leg up. Yes, we started with left, feminine energy. Bend your left knee. Bring your left knee higher. Maybe more higher. Try to find your left foot with your right eye. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Bring your left foot between the hands. Stay here with your right knee high and lean back and forth a few times. In high lunge position. And when you're ready, bring your right knee to the yoga mat and elbows like cactus. Expand your heart to the sky. Hold your hands behind. Open your chest a little bit further. Open your heart. Hands to the yoga mat. Left leg back. Right leg comes high. Bend your knee. Bring your right knee a little bit higher. Try to find your right foot from your left eye. Scorpion dog position. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Lean forward, right foot between the hands. First lean back and forth a few times. trying to open the joints, lubricating the joints with the somatic movement. And now bring your left knee to the yoga mat, elbows like cactus. Expand your chest to the sky. Breathe. Enjoy the feeling of opening up your heart. Hold your hands behind your butt. Roll your shoulders back. Stay here. Breathe. Expand your chest. Back to downward facing dog. Right leg comes back. Lean forward like a wave. And now upward facing dog, supported, modified, with your toes tucked. 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, bring your left leg up. Left knee bends once again. Each time, open your hip a little bit more. 3, 2, 1. Left foot next to left hand. Lean back and forth. It's like a high lizard lunge. 3, 2, 1. Left arm comes up. Left arm comes behind. Open your left shoulder above the right. Breathe into open joints. And when you're done, bring both hands under your shoulders. Let's come into lizard lunge. Left hand comes to left thigh. Lean side to side. Today, I invite you to stay high in lizard pose instead of elbows, because it's more of a heart opening flow. Maybe bring your right foot close to your hip. Open your right foot, and the whole point is you're opening up your heart. So you're bringing left shoulder behind, opening up your left shoulder to the sky. Maybe sway a little bit side to side. Breathe. When you're ready, bring both hands to the yoga mat. Downward facing dog. Once again, right leg comes up, bend your knee. Bring your right knee a little bit higher. Breathe. Right foot next to right hand. Right arm comes up and behind the back. Open the right shoulder above the left. Enjoy the feeling of opening your shoulders. Right hand comes back. Lean back and forth a few times. 3, 2, 1. Left knee onto the yoga mat. Stay upright. Right hand on the right thigh. Lean side to side. Bring your left foot up. Grab your left foot with your right hand. Roll the shoulders back so that your right shoulder, the front of your right shoulder, is facing the ceiling. Breathe here. As you breathe, imagine you're sending your breath to each muscle and joint, helping them open up. Back to downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, lean forward to plank. Knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, forehead to the yoga mat. 2 more baby cobras. Legs are active. Inhale, roll up, shoulders down. 3, 2, 1. Shoulders back to the yoga mat. Inhale, rise up. Roll your shoulders back. Your legs are active. You're creating space between each vertebra. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Back to downward facing dog. Back to child pose. From child pose, bring your hips up. Bring your hands behind so your knees are open, your thighs are open. Bring your left hand to the left foot. Right arm comes up, rotate. Bring your hips back. Right hand makes a circle, comes to the right leg, left arm comes up. Hips go back, rotate, other side. So camel sweeps, hips go back, right hand comes to the right foot, left arm comes up. Once again, left side. Make it soft, feminine, like a beautiful dance that you're performing, not for anyone, for yourself. And from here, bring your hands to the yoga mat. Bring your palms forward, 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 till the time your chest and chin come to the yoga mat, and we hold puppy. Lean forward, and from here, tuck your toes, press your hands, come up into plank to downward facing dog. Downward facing dog, bring your right leg up, right knee comes to the left arm, right leg opens up, fallen triangle, and really press your hips up. You're not falling on the yoga mat even though the name is fallen triangle. Stay here. Bring your left hand behind your head. Open your chest. 3, 2, 1. Left hand goes back to the yoga mat. We will bring right leg up. 3-leg dog to scorpion dog. 3, 2, 1. Wild things with the left hand onto the yoga mat. 3, 2, 1. From wild things, bring your right leg forward. Right arm comes up, and this time right arm comes behind your back once more. Left arm comes up. You are lifting up in somewhat like an exalted crescent. 3, 2, 1. From here, come into Namaste twist in front of the yoga mat. 3, 2, 1. Hands to the yoga mat. Left knee comes to the yoga mat. Right knee comes forward. So pigeon legs. From here, you could be staying here, or you can bring your back hand to the left foot. Bring your left foot inside. You could be here, or mermaid position with hands together, or bring your left hand up, right elbow comes up, and bind your hands. Open your shoulder, expand your chest in mermaid. Smile a little bit and hold as you breathe softly. From mermaid, bring your hands to the yoga mat. Downward facing dog. Same thing on the other side. Left leg comes up, left knee to the right elbow. Open up into fallen triangle. Right hand comes behind, and open your chest to face the sky. Once again, make sure you're not sinking, you're not falling onto the yoga mat. Stay lifted with confidence. Turn to the yoga mat, right hand on the yoga mat, 3-leg dog for a moment, and open your hip. Gently, as you keep opening the hip, bring your left leg on the other side and come into wild things, Kamakarasana. 3, 2, 1. From wild things, bring your left foot next to the right hand. You've landed in twist. Left arm comes behind. Stay here for a moment, and when you're ready, bring your left arm up. Exalted lunge. Stay here. Twist, open, and enjoy. Bring your hands together in Namaste twist. Hopefully you're feeling really open and expansive and sensual. 3, 2, 1. Hands to the yoga mat. Left knee points forward. Right leg goes behind. So modify your position if you didn't land correctly to find pigeon legs. Right hand, left hand comes on the left thigh. Right foot comes up. Hold your foot. Either you're just holding your hands together in mermaid step 1, or for complete mermaid, your right hand comes up, left hand holds the right hand behind your head and stay. When you found this position, expand your chest and breathe softly, fully, gently. Breathe in through your nose, expand your chest and let it out. Once again, inhale, expand, exhale, let it go, and slowly, without momentum, come into downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, lean forward like a wave, knees, chest, chin. Hold knees, chest, chin just for a moment. Long neck. And then baby cobra. Stay in baby cobra, roll your shoulders back. 3, 2, 1. Lean back into child pose. From child pose, come into Malasana. In fact, we move forward onto the yoga mat in Malasana because we're doing a very interesting movement. So from Malasana, bring your right hand back and lift up your thighs. Just like that we did with camel, we're doing that with wheel. And then back into Malasana, left hand comes back, arm comes up. It's like circling into wheel. Back into Malasana. So do it a few times each side at your pace. Maybe if you feel open enough, when you make these circles, you could also completely circle into wheel. See what's working for you. Use momentum. Use your strength of your hands. If you found wheel, stay in wheel pose. Push your chest forward. So it is like a somewhat like an open leg wheel position. Stay in wheel for 3, 2, 1. Lie down onto the yoga mat. So if you're wondering what was that? If you would like, you can lie down on your mat and enter the wheel position from there. I was just making it a little bit more fun by entering wheel pose from Malasana. So wheel pose number 2. Find your position, hands on each side of your ears. Use your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Lift up first your butt, then your head, then press your hands and lift up into wheel pose. If you found wheel pose, once again, lean back and forth till you find your depth. Maybe you could lift one leg and then the other. Maybe come deeper. And when you've had enough, come back to your yoga mat. Bring your knees close to your chest. Breathe. Softly, fully. Make circles with your knees. Open and close them. Gently. So I forgot to say earlier, I'm so sorry, but if wheel pose is not a part of your yoga flow, then you could also be doing bridge pose. Bring your hands to your feet, lean side to side. Happy baby pose. In happy baby, press each vertebra to the mat. Maybe open your legs in happy baby. Bring your right leg, right knee on top of the left. Cross your thighs and bring your feet, hold your feet to bring your legs close to your body. Lean side to side. Bring your hands to your stomach. Bring your knees to the left side. Once again, when you bring your hands to your stomach, notice how your skin feels. Notice how your skin responds to your touch. You're lying in a twist, but maybe take this opportunity to feel your skin, to feel your arms. Your touch will relax your nervous system, your gentle touch. When you touch your arms, softly, touch your stomach, softly. Bring your knees to the right side, the cross remains the same. Once again, notice the pleasure you feel by your own touch. Maximize it. And there is no shame in sensuality, in pleasure, in touch, because it's all normal. Now, bring your knees up. Your left knee comes on top of the right. Hold your feet. Bring your knees close to your chest. Lean side to side. Breathe here. Bring your knees firstly to the right side. First, it's a twist. Feeling maybe the top of your left thigh. Feeling the skin. Noticing how the skin of your thigh responds. Noticing if that's calming your nervous system. Noticing if maybe that is stirring up a memory. Bring your knees to the other side. The cross remains the same. Your chest is facing the sky. Remember, the power of sensuality is deep within you. Dig deep and find it. There may be times when you feel that you're missing it, but it just takes the right kind of movement, the right kind of mindset to remember that the power is really truly within you. Now, bring your legs up, your hands are up. Breathe, let your blood run in the opposite direction. We are draining our lymphatic system. In fact, let's just make it more efficient. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake your feet, shake your hands. So the lymphatic drainage is so important to remove the puffiness from your face. Now hold stillness for 3, 2, 1 and gently come to lie down onto your yoga mat. So if you've enjoyed this kind of yoga flow, consider joining my yoga retreat in Goa this November. All the information is in the description of this video. Now, if you're practicing at home and you have blocks, you may want to bring blocks under your chest so that you're lying in a heart-opening Shavasana. Otherwise, lying flat on the yoga mat is beautiful. I'm going to give you a few minutes of silence in Shavasana. Keep your eyes closed. Gently bring your knees close to your chest. Move side to side in a way that feels good. Turn towards one side. And with the help of your hand, sit up. Bring your hands together in Yoni Mudra. So your fingers are turned, your knuckles are touching, except your index fingers that are pointing down and your thumbs are pointing up. Yoni Mudra. Take a deep breath. Let it out. We will chant Om 3 times with exhale. Inhale into your heart, into your womb. Bring your hands together in gratitude for yourself, for your practice, for the universe, for the chances and opportunities you have in your life, for your past, for your present, and for your future. Rub your hands together. Bring your warm palms to your eyes, to your ears, to your neck, to your elbows, to your stomach, to your thighs, and bow down. Breathe. So, thank you for sharing your practice with me. I hope you have the best day. Dhanyavad.